Let me ask you a question. If you could give up a few small luxuries now to secure financial freedom later in life, would you do it? Wait, don't answer that just yet. I have another question for you. How do some people manage to become millionaires by the age of 30, while others struggle just to cover basic expenses? Why are some people strategically building wealth, while others are debating whether honey mustard is worth the extra $2? If you've ever wondered about this, you're in the right place. This is a mistake I used to make too, but today, we're diving deep into the millionaire mindset. And guess what? You don't need a six-figure salary or a Silicon Valley startup to make it happen. You can achieve financial success even if you're currently living on instant ramen and sheer determination. I truly believe this video is one of the most important in our financial freedom series, because I'm going to break it all down in ways you've never heard before. Even though I'll be covering the basics, I promise that by the end, you'll have a clear blueprint to go from counting pennies to cashing checks. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. But you do need to think like someone who is rich. The way you see and interact with money plays a crucial role in how much of it you attract and keep. Take Jeff Bezos in 1997. He was working out of a garage, running Amazon with just a computer, a terrible internet connection, and a dream. Did he know he would become a billionaire? Maybe not. But he believed in his vision and acted accordingly. Here's the golden rule I want you to remember. Stop saying, "I'm broke." Instead say, "I'm pre-wealthy." Your words and mindset matter. Instead of seeing money as something you simply spend, start seeing it as a tool to multiply. Imagine you're playing Monopoly. Rather than blowing all your cash on Park Place, you strategically scoop up railroads and utilities. That's how you win. Now, apply that principle to real life. And this is only step one. We're just getting started. I get it. Budgeting sounds about as exciting as a root canal. But trust me, it's a game changer. The good news? You don't need to be an Excel wizard to figure this out. One of the simplest ways to budget is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills, etc. 30% for wants. Yes, Netflix and Starbucks can stay. 20% for saving and investing. The thing most people forget. Think of it like this. There's a guy I know, let's call him Dave. Dave earns $30,000 a year, but manages to save $5,000 annually. How? He hacked his grocery bill by meal prepping like a champ and said, "Forget Starbucks, I'll make my coffee at home." Fast forward 10 years, and Dave's investments are thriving. Is he a millionaire yet? Not quite, but he's well on his way. You can start small and gradually level up. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, to track your spending. It's like having a financial therapist in your pocket. Let's be real. If your 9-to-5 income isn't cutting it, you need a side hustle. The internet is your playground, and there are endless ways to make extra money online. Sell your skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Start a YouTube channel, flip thrift store finds on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. I once met a guy who made $155,000 in 1 year just by flipping sneakers. Yes, sneakers. He'd camp outside stores, snag limited edition releases, and resell them online for huge profits. Even if you're only making an extra $200 a month, that's an additional $2,400 a year. And if you invest it wisely, compound interest will do the rest. Saving money isn't about deprivation, it's about being strategic. Quick hack: automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to a savings or investment account. That way, it's out of sight, out of mind, and growing without you even thinking about it. Take Sarah, for example. She earned $35,000 a year, but lived on just $25,000 and invested the rest. By the time she was 35, she had $150,000 in investments. You don't have to go extreme. Just treat saving money like a TikTok trend. something you do daily, even if it's just for clout. Invest in stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Cut the dead weight. Cancel unused subscriptions. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Keep learning. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Stay patient. Wealth building is a marathon. Give back. Generosity creates a cycle of abundance. Becoming a millionaire by 30 isn't about luck or winning the lottery. It's about following proven steps and staying consistent. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from FinanceWise. FinanceWise, your guide to financial freedom.